Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can start with Power BI. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. First, you need to click on Power BI desktop. Then you select New Report. So the easiest way to start with Power BI is to use the sample data. Just click here and then load sample data. Then select the first row in financials and then load. So now on your right you can see this is the name of the table. Some of these rows are columns. In this case, I think every row is a column. To check it, we can go here, in table view. In table view, you can see your tables. So now you can see that every row on this side is a column. This symbol means that this is numeric column. The symbol means that is date. And if there are no symbol, it means that is text. So to start with Power BI, you can start with simple bar chart. Or better with line chart. You just make a click and new windows will appear. Now you can make it bigger, smaller. So now you have the line chart, but you don't see the data. To add data to this line chart, you need to click on some row. In this case, the rows are the columns from the table. So for example, we click on sales column and you will see that it will appear here. So in our case, we want to see the sum of sales by date. Then we just click on date and Power BI automatically move it to X axis. Now you can see the line chart. You can also add the legend, tooltip, and some other things. If you want to modify, for example, the column of the line or the tooltip, or if you want to rename, for example, this part, you just make a double click or right click and then rename for this visual. So that means that you just rename for this chart. You will not rename the column. If you want to modify this chart, you can see if you something like tabs on this part. You click on format your visual, and then you can change different axes. You can add grid lines, for example these small dots. Y- You can disable them. When you go to the lines, you can change the shape, the join type, style, dashed, solid, or dot. You can make line type smooth, tap, or linear. You can also change the colors. The markers are the points of data. For example, you can see that here is September 1, this is October 1, November 1st, December 1st, May 1st, April 1st. You can also add data labels. Then you can change background. So this is a part of the visual, and then you have general. You can enable or change the title. You can add some effects, like change the background, add some shadow. Tooltip is these small windows that appear when you put your mouse on some point of data. It's called tooltip. You can disable it, change the size, background, the transparency. You can expand, collapse all options, or reset all settings to default. This part is more advanced. Then you can see the filter tab. In this tab, you can add or remove different filters. You can add specific columns from your table, or you can see the columns that you already added to the visual, that are the sales in date. Then you have the data tab where you see the columns. When you click on these small three dots, you can see more options like create new measure, new column, rename, delete, hide. You can also expand or collapse this part. Then you have a few options on top. This is the home. You can insert new visual. The table view, as I shown before, and the model view. Model view you use when you have a few tables and the data is somehow is related one table to another table. So you will have here few tables and then the relationship between those tables. So I think for today it's enough. If you want to start with Power BI, start very slowly because sometimes it can be overwhelming because there are many options, many buttons to click, etc. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.